I see the girls got into the wood shavings that was in the bag. Not good, girls. Alright, everyone got their grain except for the two goats at the barn, which we'll grain them later because Willow will be milked, and we'll make sure she's got something to do while she's being milked, and for Brandy to be good. So if she's eating, she's not making noise. Well, they're all set for right now. We'll be back later to milk Bella, and that'll be the last feeding for all the animals. Good news is I found the chickens gave me 3 more eggs. That brings it up to 6. That's starting to be better than it was, but it's not that way every day. Hopefully soon. Anyway, it's on at 31 degrees out here. I've been out here for a while, and I'm cold. Go back to the house and get warmed up. Well, it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. I can't wait till spring.